welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty free, mainly beauty. We're gonna get into my Ipsy unboxing. This is my paid for box, possibly my last paid for box. I do get this in PR as well. This is my daughter Liv. She's 2.5. So let's get into this. So now I already know all of the products that I'm gonna be. I know all the products beforehand that I'm gonna be getting because I picked 3 of these. I didn't get a beauty boost even though I unsubscribed that. So I was like, I'm only getting moisturizers for the most part. But this is from Scalp London. It's an eyeshadow palette. It's like way too big in my opinion. But it's like, I mean, it looks pretty, but this one. Okay. But it is just like warm neutrals. I mean, like it looks fine, but I probably be giving this to some, like, I don't know, somebody because I'm not going to use this. There's tons of golds in here, bronzes, and just, no. I have these shades. I mean, it's pretty, but I don't need it. So, yeah. It's from Scalp London. It's a Brazilian Glow eyeshadow palette. Kind of just disappointed in receiving that because I just got another huge palette from Scalp London. I know, I do have a Scooby-Doo palette. And then I picked this myself. This is the Verb Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. I am excited to try this because I do struggle with like dandruff and stuff. We just got back from vacation, so this is the situation of the hair. And this is vegan and cruelty free, obviously. Or else I wouldn't be excited about it. But yeah, it's supposed to be clarifying, refreshing, balancing, and Liv wants to get into. For some reason, it wasn't in the box. Like the box is completely taken apart, which was kind of weird. But I'll show the sponges. Can you show the sponges? Okay, we got the Estate sponges. He said they were heat activated, so I don't know what that means, but can I open that? Yeah. Kind of like an ombre. But these are heat activated beauty sponges. Wet with warm water to see the color change and smooth finish. Oh, Liv, they're supposed to change color. Wait 1 second. Oh, pretty. You feel it? They were stuck together, kind of. Ooh, are they soft? Oh, wow. Even her little fingers are turning like a light green and a light purple. Like, look. They're really soft. This is like a curved, kind of like slanted edge. And then, can I see this one? Yeah. Can we switch? And it has like the same thing. Hers is turning pink. But yeah, those are cool. I picked that out even though I was like, you can get sponges anywhere. I personally don't like these kind of sponges because they're not biodegradable. It's just made in China, whatever. Sponges. And then I got, and then I also picked out, I believe I picked out this product. This is the First Aid Beauty, which we get tons of First Aid Beauty, tons of Scalp London, tons of the same brand. Estate Cosmetics. That's what I'm sick of is like the same brands. But this is the 10% vitamin C brightening serum. Lots of vitamin C products, but I do like First Aid Beauty. They're gentle and good for sensitive skin. And my husband also for like eczema. My husband has the KP scrub for his arms. He said it does work. Ooh, it's like you. And then there was another setting spray for this option. Like there really wasn't anything like exciting, so I picked out the Ace Beauté Seal It setting spray. I mean, it was just kind of disappointing. I was like, why is there 2 setting sprays in one category? So, okay. Thank you. You can play the sponges. Okay. No. And I did film the spoilers too. I don't like it. You don't like that? So they did come up a little. This is like paper. Yeah. Thank you. Beautiful. They're beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. Rainbow, very pretty. In August, we're going to be getting the Icon box. But, yeah, I'm not really impressed. I'm going to be getting FabFitFun, and I'm more impressed by that. So, I think Vanessa Hutchins is going to be doing the edit box in August. But, yeah, this is what I got. Yeah, I got sponges, makeup setting spray, vitamin C serum, a scalp scrub. Oh, oops, also, which I already have this. I got the, or actually, so, I already have this, so this is actually okay. The Keys Soul Care Protector Light Daily Moisturizer, SPF 30. That's how Liv feels about this box. She was not impressed. Not impressed, Liv, right? Yeah. Yeah, you were impressed? Did you like this box or no? I like the box. You like the box? What was your favorite item? Me. No, that's not even from this. That's from like a Boxycharm like 5 years ago. But anyway, Liv says she would have preferred if there was more makeup options. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I don't usually include her in these, but she wants to be with me. She always wants to be with me, but she want to be in this video and unbox it with me. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Let's say bye-bye.